Hi, I'm
I'm Tori, and today we're going to be talking about Spectrum's vegan leisure brush.
One more time.
This way.
Neewer Remote Teleprompter X17. Take back time with Neewer's biggest teleprompter yet. Tear up the scripts and make that time-consuming chore of memorizing lines a thing of the past. Get fully set up and ready to roll the camera thanks to the assembly-free design. Simply mount on your tripod and you're ready to go.
Communicate with the audience with direct eye contact as you look right into your camera through the beam splitter glass, which can be read from up to 4 meters away, tilt at 135 degrees for optimal viewing, and clearly readable projected text from your device.
Neewer's biggest teleprompter within the range currently, with upgraded QR support plate for larger devices up to 20 kilograms and height adjustable. Fully expandable, allowing you to add a mic, LED lights or other accessories thanks to the integrated cold shoes. Widely compatible with most types of smartphone or tablet devices, it is sturdy with aluminium construction yet lightweight in design for the needs on the go. Pair the RT110 remote with your tablet inside Neewer's Teleprompter app via Bluetooth connection. With one simple press, you can pause, speed up or down and turn pages with ease. Look at me! X17 Remote Teleprompter.
Neewer.